Especially in Jalan Monkey Forest Ubud. Previously, we were having a dinner with our lovely fans, our lovely viewers. So we take a bit a longer time. So now it's about 9:30 p.m. and we will take you to stroll around to see how is Ubud Jalan Monkey Forest nightlife. Behind me, already night bars there, and yeah, with the loud music. So yeah, we will take you to stroll around.
Seems like, guys, either you like it or not, the old rock bands and the music in Ubud is always. And this new place also seems very nice. So the kitchen by the street, you can see how they're cooking from the street. That's interesting, new concept.
When the tourism already open in Bali and Ubud also open, I mean that the shops still at this 9:30 p.m. some of the shops still open. I can say the bars, the restaurant, the nightclub. Surprisingly, there is a nightclub in Ubud. Previously, I didn't see that one, and we only, whenever we were in the Ubud Center over there, just close to Monkey Forest Junction, live band music with the pop music. But just walking here in Ubud Monkey Forest, they're just close. So when we walk here in Monkey Forest around 9:30 p.m., I didn't realize that so alive,
So anyways, if you are thinking how's the nightlife in Ubud looks like after 9:30, looks like this one. Very nice restaurant, bars, loud music. This is actually like a night bar, nightclub, something like maybe not really sports bar, but with the live loud rock music. I know many of you guys don't like it in Ubud, but well, that's how it is. If you're gonna walk just a little bit outside of the area of these bars, they're actually next to each other. It's actually very, very, very dark. So there are only few. There is not like, in Seminyak or in Kuta or somewhere where the bars after bars. So you can, actually find a peaceful dark night in Ubud already at 9:30. So this is the dark hotel. It's called Adiwana Monkey Forest. And then you have a nice restaurant without loud music, but looks like a bar restaurant. Also a little bit dark with the Cuban lady and cigar at the background, just next to the Starbucks. And this is of course Saturday night. So something like this is going on in Ubud. And also this is next, everything is actually this Donna, which is like with Cuban style something, Starbucks, next to the famous legendary cafe, wine and bakery. So
when it's night time, especially in Jalan Monkey Forest, like you see in some certain area will be like already closed, the shops already closed, but seems like the restaurant, the nightclub, it's not nightclub, night restaurant over there like Donna, and then here next to it is Laughing Buddha, and then even Cafe Wayan, where it was famous with the Indonesian traditional food.
And of course, if you ask us about the music in the restaurants, as you heard, there will be like rock music or some sort of pop music or whatever kind of music, like a modern Western music or old Western music, whatever, but definitely no local Indonesian, Balinese, nor any kind of traditional music. However, if you're gonna go to the coffee luwak plantations in Ubud, they still playing this all the time, and probably some old hotels as well. Meanwhile, I heard the reggae band. Anyways, like I just said, this Mexican restaurant actually empty, and there is some bar, kinda Kuta vibe bar with the, well, rock reggae music and live band obviously. So it's Ubud right now and it's very busy actually deep inside. Check this out.
When even we just walk like from one spot to another spot, it's not that far we walk, and you know, from one place, from one restaurant to another restaurant, like most of them, you know, like showing you with the modern music, pop music, reggae. So what I can say then, it's a bit difficult to find the restaurant which show you, you know, Balinese traditional performance, except that in the Ubud Palace or in another temple.
Also very interesting tendency right now, like this one, Bumi Bali restaurant is very local traditional restaurant. However, not that busy or successful. Also, they don't have a traditional music. There is like a reggae music as the background actually. And we actually met our fans in the restaurant where is this rock loud music. Last time it's definitely too loud anyways, it's hard to talk. However, when we arrived at 7 o'clock, it was empty. Nobody, only we were there because was no loud music. When the music came, suddenly 1 hour later was full house. And we can see concept right now as every restaurant in Ubud where is the loud music with the light band is very busy, and where is no loud band or is like very quiet, it's like quiet, like here actually I can hear echo. Because it's like an empty dead zone. I don't know why we are walking actually here and talking. Oops. But that's the tendency. So you see, where it's bright, loud music, live band, they will be busy. So from the business perspective, I think that's why it's like that. And the question is why the business owners deciding this. Everybody wants to have a full house, the restaurant. The key is why people going to the places like this rather than to the quiet places. So that's the question for you. I'm gonna leave it for you. Meanwhile, some construction of the new places around.
You see, just right behind me, the loud music and then bright place. Many people coming. So this is one of the way to attract the customers, you know, going to the restaurant in Ubud. Okay guys, so just like this example, the cafe Wayan with the Indonesian traditional food with the world famous wet, the Julia Robert were here before. See, it's quite empty, but the next door is the restaurant Laughing Buddha with the very loud music, and also the club there is Dona. It seems like busy, many customers there. So this is the sign, is how it's the tourism trend in Ubud. Hello. Okay guys, follow me. We will walk through the one of the busiest restaurant with the nightlife music. Halo Pak.
Yo.
People, you know, waving, hey, I watch your YouTube. Thank you so much for those viewers in Ubud nowadays having a holiday, who enjoy their time with their families, with their partner, their beloved ones. So nice. Thank you for saying hi. So happy with that.